Hello folks, this is a little bit of an update on the BMW. I have bought the blueskysee, the Dashcam, the 688. This is the mount for the camera in the rear. I think this was pretty good actually. Mounted like this, pretty slim. A little bit of a work to get that one to a steady angle. In there you can see I have got the cables through. Can't see if you can see that, but pretty good. And in the front we have it mounted like this on the screen on the side. A little bit better. I wanted to get a little bit closer, but actually I can't steer it a lot around, so that's why I mounted it around there. So actually this is the one to check up on. So we'll see how it works in real time, so to speak. And actually this is the mounting. So we go around here, and this is how it looks on the bike there. Few cables, well, a lot of cables. That's a little bit sad, but that's actually nothing to do with anything about it. And this is my Sumo mount there. It's better than the other one, so I get it slowed down here. And then I have an on-off switch to that one. So we'll see how it goes. New report when it's mounted on the bike.